C guitar chord. Claw your hand and fingers firmly and approach the guitar neck from behind with your thumb lightly touching the sixth string to mute it. That's if your hand is big enough. If you have a smaller hand, you might have to leave it about there. But definitely not this or this. Also, can we make sure that we're maintaining our triangular space between the guitar neck and your hand, especially as we bring our fingers into the guitar. You don't want to do this. First fingertip on the second string, first fret. Second fingertip on the fourth string, second fret, corner or towards the middle. And third fingertip onto the fifth string, third fret. You don't have to go to the corner. The middle is fine. It just makes C that bit easier to play. Instead of having to stretch wide to play the chord, you can do it by keeping this in the middle and keeping this in the corner and this somewhere in between.